LA Christmas. I'm back with another video. Today I'm gonna be unboxing a couple of stuff. I said I was gonna be doing a review of some of the Michael Jackson stuff that I got, so I'm very excited to review them and show them to you guys, of course. We got some pretty cool things. We don't got much, but we got some, and it's a start. I hope you enjoyed this video. We're just gonna get right onto it because I'm on a strict schedule, and yeah. Let's get into it. I'm very excited to show you guys this stuff, and also a very Merry Christmas to all that celebrate it. I hope you enjoy this video. Okay, so this first one here, we got Dancing Machine Golden Record LP. Dancing Machine, 5 brothers there: Michael, Tito, Jermaine, Marlon, Jackie. And there's a label there there's a golden record inside. There's some pictures there, like in the record case, and then there's the vinyl itself, the vinyl cover. Here's the back, and then we have here their little animated heads, and then some of the songs that are included on the vinyl. And then these are some more special edition LPs that you can pick up. I ordered this one here, the Japan release. We'll take a closer look later after I open this, so join me, of course. Fun fact: Dancing Machine was actually Michael Jackson's I think number 2 on the Billboard for records at the time, in 1974. Dancing Machine, the song. And this was their second last album with the name Jackson 5. So very interesting. So I'm gonna open this thing. We're gonna look at this, and then we'll get to the next one. So these are some special edition ones that I got. So join me as we unbox them. Okay, guys, we got the vinyl record, opening it and everything. Smells and feels good. Now this thing is what comes with it. So look at that. It just slides right off. There is the thing that comes with it. A celebration. Vinyl is beautiful. A celebration of life. Michael Jackson, 2009 to 2019. Color vinyl collection. Inner paper sleeve, cover inner paper sleeve, 12-inch LP, original label art, limited edition. Wow. Brown vinyl LP, 1 pressing. Wow, this was limited edition. The songs there. And this is the one I was talking about, I ordered. So, yeah, got the songs here. So, try to show you, it's a little hard to do. J5. Alright, let's open this thing. So let me figure out how to open it first. 1 second. Okay, so wow, this thing is actually really big in person, guys. Here is some pictures of the Jackson 5 family. Brothers there again. Some more pictures. Black and white. Okay, and this and the truth. A Jackson 5 fan. Look at all this footage. Good stuff. Bam! Look at that. Side 1, side 2. Bam, the original Motown label right there. Sorry I'm not showing you everything up close, but we don't have much time, so I'm trying to run through this quickly. And there we have it, Tattoo Machine in its glory. Can't believe it. One of the Jackson 5's greatest hits. One of. We got Young Michael there as well. Beautiful, beautiful artwork. Once again. Alright, next up we have the Jacksons. This is where they changed their name. They dropped the 5 and they put the S, the Jacksons. And by this time, Jermaine had left the group and they put in Little Marlon at the time. And yeah. If you want me to do a story about how that happened and whatever, let me know in the comment section. And also for some new fans that don't know about the Jacksons or Michael Jackson, this is good information for you guys to check out. So yeah, very cool. It's kind of like black and white, but still has color. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's kind of like rainbow wavy lines in the background. If you could, in the background there's like agua, kind of like indigo color. So very cool. All 5 of the Jacksons. Got the back. Got Michael there. Randy, Jackie, Tito, Marlon. This is when they got older. The back of the songs. Now let's open up this on the side. It's actually a gatefold, so this is really exciting as well. We're gonna open this one up. Let's open this. This is when they signed on to Epic Records in 1976. And this one doesn't have any specific name. I believe it's just called The Jacksons. The introduction to The Jacksons. The Jacksons. Another look at the beautiful cover. And another look at the back. And this is where they changed from Motown to Epic Records right there, I believe. And there's the songs. At the top. Back black and white. This one does not come with the paper, I believe. Oh wow, it's beautiful. Beautiful. So beautiful, guys. Look at this. We got all the brothers. We got Michael in the middle. We got Marlon. We got Tito. We got Jackie right here. We got Randy. It's much bigger up close. There. Very cool. There's the record itself. This one doesn't have any special coloring. The Jacksons. Epic Record logo. The Jacksons. There you go. Okay. One quick last look at them right there. Here we go. Now to my last record for the day, for Christmas, for this holiday that I've gotten. And this one I saved for last because I think this is one of the most specialist ones that I got right now in my collection. I think you already know what it is. Thriller 25. Michael Jackson Thriller, the world's best-selling album. The world's biggest selling album of all time. Michael Jackson Thriller in his white suit. There we got some sort of sticker there. Winner of 8 Grammy Awards, which is true. This is 2 LP. There you go. And remixes from other artists at the time. And this came out around 2008, I think. 2007, 2008. So this is the 25th anniversary. This one is really special because it has remixes, and there's one unreleased track here from the Thriller album, the original Thriller album. So I really want to see what's inside it for myself. So we got all the songs here, side A, side B, and then this is the remix right here, the remixes from other artists at the time. Yeah, the world's biggest selling album of all time, Thriller, Michael Jackson. Let's open this thing up as well. Let's open it, see what's inside. This is really heavy as well. Here we go now. Open it up. We're gonna keep this. Thing. Let me just read it first quickly. Okay, 25th anniversary includes the original album plus new 2008 celebrations with Kanye West, Fergie. Forgive me if I got the name wrong. will.i.am, Akon, and the unreleased song for all time. So that's the unreleased song for all time. That's the unreleased song's name for all time. What a catchy name. So this was actually unreleased. That's one of the reasons why I got this record. Cause it has some special stuff in here that we have not seen before. Okay. There we go. Got a Thriller itself. This thing is pretty heavy. Very beautiful. Very beautiful cover. The back. The side. Let's open this thing up, shall we? Wow. This is beautiful. Got Michael Jackson next to all of the zombies from the Thriller Thriller music video, all the way back in 1983. Look at that. So cool. Look at that. And yeah, let's open and take a look at the vinyls. I got some other stuff to show you as well. It smells so good. Here are some pictures here. Very cool. From the music videos that he did for Thriller album. Back. Got some more pictures. Got a picture there of Michael, another picture from the album cover. And we got one here from the Thriller music video as well, I believe. Very cool. Very, very, very cool. I don't know if you can see that, but that was right here. Some monster there coming out of the TV. And then The Girl Is Mine with Paul McCartney and Michael Jackson. Let's take a look at the vinyl. This is so beautiful, guys. I am super lucky to see this. Oh. Let's get this out. I don't know if you guys can see that. There it is. I don't want to take everything out. Next one. There we go. Okay. This is the second LP. These are the remixes. This is the second LP, and these are the remixes as well on the LP. This is another picture of Michael. Back, we got Michael there from the Thriller music video. This is when he won the Grammys with Quincy Jones, producer of the of one of his famous albums to date, the world's best-selling album. It's very cool. I'm really happy and blessed to have this. So happy. let's open it. This is the another one. I don't know if you can see it too that well. Kind of in a rush, guys. I don't want to make this video too long. Yeah, the next one. There we go. And that's it for the vinyls. I'm gonna review another thing that I got, which is Michael Jackson related, in a second. And now for the final one, we got the Jackson's Legacy book. This one was very interesting. I'm very excited to review this one. I probably will be doing a video on all of the stuff that I've gotten. So stay tuned for that. I will probably be doing a video for this book itself. This book is really heavy. It's really, really big as well. The Jackson's Legacy. Got all the Jackson brothers on the front and got back. I really, really, really wanted to get this book because this is like the come-ups from the Jacksons. So their legacy, their story. From Family Archives 50th Anniversary book side. So I'm not going to show you the inside because I haven't read it myself, so I want to see it for myself, and then I'll probably do a review on it later on. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe, let me know what you guys think of this video. I really had a good time. I was super excited. This was my first Michael Jackson collection and Jackson related stuff as well. So hopefully it grows more and more eventually over the years. Anyway, you guys have a good one. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas to all that celebrate it. And to all, a good night. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. That's why I wore green for Christmas. Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye bye.